On a seemingly ordinary Tuesday afternoon, tragedy struck at Hyundai's largest manufacturing facility in Ulsan, South Korea. Three workers were found unconscious inside a test chamber, later pronounced dead. What really happened behind the closed doors of plant number 4? At approximately 3 p.m., emergency services were alerted to a critical situation at Hyundai's Ulsan plant. Three individuals, two Hyundai researchers and one contractor, were conducting a routine vehicle performance test inside a specialized chamber designed to simulate extreme environmental conditions. They entered the chamber around 12:50 p.m., expected to complete their test by 3 p.m. When they failed to exit on time, colleagues went to investigate. What they found was alarming. The three men were unresponsive, lying on the chamber floor. Preliminary reports suggest that the workers may have suffocated due to toxic gases, possibly from unventilated exhaust fumes accumulating in the enclosed space. Testing chambers require strict adherence to safety protocols, including proper ventilation and monitoring systems. Was there a malfunction in the equipment? Were safety measures adequately enforced? South Korean authorities have launched a comprehensive investigation. The Ulsan Metropolitan Police, the Ministry of Employment and Labor, the National Forensic Service, and the Korea Occupational Safety and Health Agency are working together to uncover the truth behind this tragedy. Hyundai Motor Company expressed deep sorrow, stating they are deeply saddened by the incident and will cooperate fully with all relevant authorities to determine the cause of this incident. This incident isn't isolated. In 2023, a worker at the same plant died after an accident involving machinery. These events raise serious questions about workplace safety within one of the world's largest automakers. With Hyundai and its affiliate Kia accounting for 80% of South Korea's domestic vehicle sales and over 4.2 million global sales in 2023, the spotlight is on their commitment to employee safety.